Hello, Stevie here, and here's my new favorite saying. Here are my Etsy shops. If you want to go check them out, greatly appreciate it. And along with this one right here, I have some new digital embellishment kits. I'll start with this one. And this is my bark embellishment kit. And these were great. They're already torn. They have like a torn page look. And they're from pictures that I took. And then they were put in Procreate and manipulated into the kits. But I thought they were cool. This one's really cool too. They would go great in a nature junk journal. Some belly bands, pockets. So that is my bark embellishment junk journal kit. Not in that order. This is the horse one. And I just love it. It's also a junk journal embellishment kit that is in StevieGoesDigital. And love it because these two can be used together. In fact, they were together. They're great. And then this one is a little dark, but it has been lightened up. So, and that all depends on your printer and your ink amount and everything. So, these are just wonderful. I love horses. Even had them as a kid. Or was around them, I mean. They're just great. This, I wanted to do this kit. I'm not always going to print them out, but I'm going to try, depending on my ability to get enough ink for my printer. But these, I want to put in my junk journal I don't know how I want to cut these. Maybe I'll cut them right here. See if I can cut a straight line. Probably not. And I'll use this for something else. Let's see. Here. There. Now, I can use these. I can use these in my junk journal that I'm starting. so cool. Love it. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Comment with positive comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.